Hi, I'm Glenn and welcome to Make It Mondays. Today we're going to be assembling the two-seater Berkeley Bistro set. In order to assemble the table, you're going to need a few pieces of equipment. You're going to need a socket or spanner and a flat-headed screwdriver. The fittings and fixtures are attached to the side of the box so they don't get lost, but they can easily be missed. Remove the packaging. Place legs to one side. Cut the table bag to reveal the underside of the table.
Screw the bolts into the table and tighten them up with a screwdriver.
Remove the protective silicone from the bolts. Attach the legs to the centre ring using the flat washer, lock washer and nut. Ensure that they're only finger tight. Place a leg onto each bolt, fix in place with the flat washer, lock washer and nut. Ensure that they're only finger tight. Tighten the nuts on each side, then check the core nuts again as slight movement can occur. Cover each nut with the nut caps.
Turn the table over. Remove the packaging.
For more videos, click the link below and don't forget to subscribe to our Garden for Less YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.